Hello, welcome to my channel. Um, this is a quick unbox about one Louis Vuitton item. A friend of mine traveled to Paris a few weeks ago, and then he helped me get this item. Actually, it is a surprise gift to my husband. I hope he will like it. And so this is a quick unbox. Before I show this gift to my husband on the day when I'm planning, the surprise day. Okay, okay. So here is the Louis Vuitton bag, and then this is the receipt, the very classic brown card environment, in development. Yeah. Anyway, this is the receipt. I won't show it this moment because I believe there is some personal information in the receipt. And then here's the box, drawer box, very sturdy as usual. And then, sorry, my hands are swollen very much because of pregnancy. It looks very, oh dear, I don't want to talk more about it. And then here it is, the Louis Vuitton business card holder in Damien & Bean. So this is the gift, surprise gift for my husband to appreciate him to take care of me when I'm pregnant. So this item is made in Spain. I don't care that much about if it is made in France, made in Spain, or any other country. And then, so here it is. And then, yeah, alright. So this is a quick unbox, and I hope he will like it. Alright, have a good day. Bye.